I specifically came on here with only 5 minutes because Jonathan has school in 5 minutes. And finish eating lunch. So I'm gonna go back in the class. But I've been posting on my TikTok for like a lot of stuff. And I'm getting some weird comments. And you guys know I'm not the type to back away from like a weird comment. Yes, Baba?
I finished.
You finished? Put on a uniform shirt and then log in. Yeah.
I wanted to
You get banana?
No, I lost the one looking
But
for.
I wanted to keep my camera off.
You can't, puppy, because we're in school.
I miss getting to Jonathan turn the camera on.
Yeah, you should go and ask. I'd have to let her know if you're going to turn it off from before, but there's no reason for it to be off because you can be in a class. Alright, so 4 minutes.
Put on your shirt.
Hurry up, now Jonathan, enough you look on the time, just put on your shirt. Yeah, so hi guys.
Put on your shirt.
Don't help him, mama. Put on your shirt yourself, Jonathan. I'm not gonna do this with you. Yeah, so yeah, this live is not going to be long. I have like 4 minutes left because Jonathan have class and I have to be here. But I've been posting on TikTok and I've been getting like a lot of stuff. And like some questionable stuff, some stuff that like a lot of stuff. And I've been getting some comments, and let me just say this right now. I'm not the type to sit and keep my mouth shut. So I've been seeing comments and I've been letting it slide. I'm like, okay, bet it's okay because they don't know. It's okay, they don't know. You log in already?
No, we're not
Logging in. And then like today I was like, whatever. This is the day the Lord has made. I will respond and be petty in it. So if you see me going off, 3 more minutes. If you see me going off or see me posted on any social media, then you know what's what. I'm tired. I'm tired of people just talking bad, and because I am who I am, they don't expect me to respond because I'm on social media.
2
And
more
they feel
minutes.
yeah, and then feel like I put myself out there, so you know I must expect this kind of criticism and response. Today's the day. Today's the day. So bye guys. Not me in class on your live. Why are you in class? Okay, we'll have 2 more minutes, Papi.
I know.
Yeah, but no, I was doing laws. Down your last, and I took out this one, so this one cock up, just the top part leave, the underneath cock up, just the part you leave. And yeah. Hey Meeks, hey Mrs. Assert, Klinik, okay. Hey Jaquan, hey Mad Hype, hey Lil Miss, hey I'm Miss Nessie. Oh, man of 2. Oh, that's so cute. Thank you. Trishy, thank you.
Yes, 1 more minute.
Hi for the post. I just love it. I wish I could name. You have a lady in the UK that goes hard for you with your posts. I just love it. I wish I could remember her name. I wish I could too. If you find her, like, email it to me or tag me or so. Oh, thank you, Books. But no, it's not K. Can you say blood cleanse? Anna, I'm gonna go off. No, it's Rennie Boo. I have to. Remember, it starts. Crap. No, I'm not back at the gym. I don't know when I'm going to start. I don't know. Shit, class start. I hate this. Alright, bye, guys. Don't do that. That's gross. Remember, this is the day the Lord has made. I will respond and be petty in it.
Oh my God, something just happened.
To your iPad? You log off? Maybe she closed out the chat. Did she close out the room? Come look. Lie down, Jaleel. Lie down. You come back in. See, your iPad are dead. I that my talk about tonight. Your iPad they are 32%. Jesus, you alright? Alright, see it then. Turn off your thing, guys. My back hurt me.
It's alright.
Okay. Yeah. Jaleel, come go do your work. Take my reason, don't speak me. Do your work.
Hand.
What do you mean by your hand? What do your hand? What do your hand? Oh, the banana. Banana, come. I could go wash your hand. Come, Jelly, stop touch everything with your hand. Why put it on my clothes? I can't but I can talk for a walk. Alright, dear work. Come here. It wipe off the banana, wipe off already, Jaleel. Milo died over 2 years now. Here. Come, 2 plus 2. Good job. 5 plus 5. Pencil on shopping.
5 plus 5 is 10.
Wait, make a shot later, Jaleel. Make her just up and do her work right now, right? So come now. 3 plus 3. Don't worry about it, right? 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3. Excellent. Take time. Jaleel, I feel like you have to battle pen and paper. Check. Alright, guys, bye. I'm exhausted.
Very good. You're on the ball. But now you can't give her a big
Look nice.
Remember, Mommy, I feel comfortable with it's nice and you're sad.
You're working hard. Working real hard.
What dear? What dear?
So what about the rumbus? You didn't go to rumbus?
Oh, hold up your work and show Miss Papi.
Oh, where's my work?
Is your homework?
Here's my homework.
Yeah, sure. Hold it up. You're gonna laugh off of your oval, because that looks like an oval. Yes. Hold it up. Yeah, she can see. Good job. I don't need to know some.
Mommy,
Yeah.
I call you starting by my mommy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yeah, I got primary. Jonathan, I like when I touch up the screen, so just focus. Guys, I'm gonna log off soon because I'm in class and I can't talk while I'm in the class. You wanna just look up yourself and see how much in the Jonathan? 18, 16,
34.
34?
Yeah, but it's not just it just not real.
It's 34? You're too lie.
No, not lying. Okay, count with me. 1, 2.
Don't. Just focus. Because if them see I move up and down so much, they're gonna call things about you. Stop, please. No, nobody calling names.
I know them just saw you on Instagram.
Yeah, them see you on Instagram too. See you there. Alright, bye guys.